We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Rise and shine. It's day 5 of Vlogmas. Good morning. Here we are. I am currently waiting for my Whole Foods delivery. We were ahead of the game last night, and I'm very proud. I'm proud of last night, Jessica. Morning. Did I just get groceries? Yes. Is it going to stop me from going to Taco Bell to try their new chicken nuggets that just launched today? Alright, quality is what it is, but I just wanted to have y'all join me as we try the new Taco Bell chicken nuggets. Taco Bell's chicken nuggets are marinated in jalapeno buttermilk and breaded in tortilla chips. They're served with your choice of a signature dipping sauce. You can choose between fire ranch, Bell sauce, or jalapeno honey mustard. I chose the combo. It came with a large fountain drink, nacho fries, nacho cheese, a crispy taco, and a chalupa. Anyhow, alright, so first nugget we're going to try, let's just take a bite. These look like very standard frozen section nuggets. I literally just had my car detailed yesterday. Dennis will find that next month. Originally, kind of have like a gasoline scent. Alright, Bell sauce. I still think I like a Cajun flavor. I don't know if I love that or not. Sometimes Cajun flavors taste like BO to me. Oh, so sorry. Bell sauce is a chipotle flavor thing. Jalapeno honey mustard is up next. Kind of spicy. Wow, that does have a kick to it. The best one so far. Next we're doing our fire ranch. To be honest, the nuggets are pretty simple, very straightforward. Like I said, your traditional find in the Publix frozen section. Alright, quick change of scenery, right? I had my phone tell me I didn't have enough storage just around the same time I was realizing I'm not stoned enough to be eating this. And that is probably changing my mentality about it. I will say the nuggets themselves, like the breading, has like a gasoline-like flavor off rip. I think it's like the breading. But as I was coming home, I could literally like taste that. So we'll see. But just figured I'd kind of restart this now that I'm a little marinated. So like the nuggets have this like coloring issue. It's not that they don't smell like gasoline. It's like, all right, spicy ranch. So confirming, the bell sauces like chipotle peppers, chili peppers are listed in the ingredients. Never liked that flavor. And then again, jalapeno, honey mustard is one of my favorite combos. It's just too much jalapeno. It's just not balanced with the honey mustard enough. Like one notch down would have been probably really great. I'll stick to the spicy ranch. I think they're formidable. The spicy ranch, though, I would rather eat that with something else. There's just so many better things, like the chicken carbonara. There's just so many better things they could come out with. And dare I say, this is too much food. I'm definitely not going to be able to touch this gordita. So if you dare try Taco Bell's new chicken nuggets, if you have a sauce selection, I would choose the spicy ranch. The combo's too much. You could just do either a taco or the nacho fries as a cutie little side. And if you get there in time, I know they have that caramel apple empanada. So, love you. Bye.
It will always be Christmas in my heart, but this year
I don't know what the best angle is for this. Is it gonna be here? Can I see it here? That's craziness. Dennis, if you're watching, I'm so sorry. All your hard work going to shit.